is Evanwell, and today I'm going to list this item. This is t-shirt item. I tell that jokes periodically. So here it is. It is a medium size and 100% cotton. Okay, and then I'm going to open now the Etsy account. Let's go to Etsy account. I will click this Etsy, and here it is, the front page of the Etsy.com, and I will click here the shop manager, and then I will click here listings, because I want to add one item from this store. And I will click here the add a listings, because I want to add something. So here it is, add a new listing. So first is we have to upload the photos. Alright, the photos are already uploaded, and if you want to adjust this is the primary photo. So if you want to adjust it, just click the adjust thumbnail. We have to click here the zoom in if you want to zoom the item, and want to adjust here. Right, so click save, and then here we go to the title. So if you want to do the title of this item is, as I've seen here in the t-shirt, I tell that jokes periodically. So I want to type that on here, the title. I want I tell that jokes periodically. Funny thing. T-shirt and black. Medium, it is a medium size, and 100% cotton. So in doing a title, we will have to make the first letter of the word capitalized, right? So about this listing, learn more about what types of items are allowed on Etsy. So as we see here, who made it. So if I click this one, the arrow down, I have choices. I did, and a member of my shop, and another company or person. So I will choose another company or person. And the next one is what is it. So I will click here, and there is a choices here: a finished product, and a supply or tool to make things. So I will choose a finished product. So when was it made? So there are many choices here, but it's like a vintage product. So I will choose the vintage product before 2003. Yeah. So before 2003, so it appear here this item is vintage, and the category of this item is clothing in t-shirt, right? Sweatshirt, no, it's clothing in t-shirt. Okay, and the primary color of this item is black, and the secondary, no, I will not put secondary color of this item because it is also optional. So the size of this item is a medium size, US. Let's click US, and then let's click the medium. So sustainability, so I will skip this one. And sleeve length, no, I will skip this one. Neckline, close, yes, close neckline. And clothing style, I will skip this one. Occasion, I will skip this one. And also holiday optional, it is, I will skip this one. Then renewal option, and the type it is. So now here we are here in the description. So in the description, first I will have to copy the title of the item, and then space, and then the condition of the item, it is freshly laundered. Yes, because it is a used item. So it's a very good condition, very good condition, and medium size. Right. Good gift for the size. There we go. Life. Listed view. Okay. And then the section. So I will click the remaining options. It is clothing and accessories, and the tags of this, it is a t-shirt, yes, t-shirt, or black t-shirt. Medium t-shirt, cotton t-shirt, and then the material is cotton, and the price of this item, it is I will put 19.99, and the SKU of this item is close set 92722-2. Okay, and then variation, I will skip this one. Personalized shipping is USA only, and then the pound of this item, it is a 14 O's, and the length of this item is 12 inches, 9 inches, and 2. So the shipping, it's the shipping label is for 5.72. Policy and marketing, I will click this one maybe later, and then save as a draft.